Hello traders, in this video, we will learn a very easy and powerful way to enter into highly secured trades. We will use a 15-minute time frame, and the larger the frame, the better. In this strategy, we will use two indicators. The first indicator will be the normalized MACD indicator. As for the second indicator, it will be a VWAP indicator with some modifications. As you can see, when we get a signal from the MACD indicator, by crossing the red line above the yellow line, it is an entry signal. But the area in the VWAP indicator must be green. But when the VWAP area is red, we will not enter into long positions. Rather, we can look for short positions like this signal here. To increase the accuracy of this strategy, we must also take the entry signal that is like this, meaning the cross should occur below the zero line of the MACD indicator, and if such a signal occurs above it, it is recommended to avoid entering. We only enter if the signal is below the zero line, as you see here. To apply the indicators, we open the indicators library and search for normalized MACD by typing MACD and choose this one from here. After that, we go back to the indicators library again, and in the search box we type Oasis Group VWAP. Then we choose this indicator as well. After applying the VWAP indicator, it will appear in this way. We can use it as it is, and when the candles are in the green area, we will look for the MACD signals to enter into long positions. But to reduce the chaos on the chart, it is better to separate it in a single section. Move the mouse arrow on the VWAP indicator and click on the right mouse click. From the menu choose Move to and New Pan below. And it was placed in a single section. Now open the indicator settings and remove everything except for the points that you see here. You can also increase the darkness of the color, as you can leave it as it is. That's it, everything is ready on the chart. So let's explain how to find entry points. As we said at the beginning of the video, when we see the MACD indicator crossover signal, we must make sure that the signal occurred in the green area of the VWAP indicator. And this crossover must have occurred in the area below the 50 line of the MACD indicator. In this way, the result will be accurate and successful. But if the VWAP indicator gives a red color like you see here, then we will not look for any buy position signal in the MACD indicator, and we will take all these signals as false signals. But if we find that the VWAP indicator gives a thin green color, as you can see here, and not as thick as this one here, this means the signal is weak. And in this case, we can look for a long signal in the MACD indicator, but with caution, and the profit percentage should be low, meaning we buy and sell quickly. But when the green area is thick like this area here, this means that the signal is strong. And all we have to do is look for a MACD signal that is below the zero line. And then we can enter with confidence. On the contrary, if we want to enter into a short position, we look for the red area in the VWAP indicator. And then we take the MACD signal that is above the zero line. And the result will be successful, as you can see here. Here is a sell signal from the MACD indicator and a thick red area from the VWAP indicator. So it will be a successful signal, as we see here. And here we find another sell signal, and it is also successful. Here is another one, and it was successful as well. And every time we find a signal in the red area of the VWAP indicator, it will be successful most of the time. As for take profit and stop loss, it should be as follows. When we find that the area is green and we find an entry signal in the MACD indicator, we enter directly from the current price. We set the stop loss to the nearest low candle, and the risk to reward ratio will be 1 to 1.5. Finally, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in a next video.